Conflict of interest. This is the first point we are going to talk about in this presentation. Let's start by defining the distinction between the three types of conflict of interest. Actual, serving multiple clients in direct competition with each other due to issue of confidentiality of trade secrets and other sensitive information. Perceived, personal financial interest in clients could so doubt about the reliability of our firm to potential customers. Potential, hiring a family member. Other might experience the hiring of an employee's family member as nepotism or favoritism, even though the family member is qualified for the given job.
Advantage. The value creation of Advantage, our why. We drive local economic growth in underdeveloped rural areas by offering small businesses modern, efficient, and innovative advertising solutions for increased visibility. Our how. We create value by providing innovative marketing services which allow small businesses to gain more space and visibility.
Our what? We offer low-cost digital signage in underserved areas, create impactful ads, and provide data-driven consultation with tailored pricing to meet customer needs. For whom? Small for-profit and non-for-profit businesses and environment. In what time? Advantage is a long-time oriented business that wants to survive and grow along with its customers.
In doing this, we will use the following inputs: financial, manufactured, intellectual, social and relationship capital, and natural capital.
Digitalization. Digitalization is an essential part of our activities since it will be used to carry out specific tasks. Automation, performance monitoring and reporting systems, as well as forecasts, implementation of AI to support our activities, social media presence, remote monitoring and maintenance of our billboards, and dynamic targeted advertising.
Our code of ethics is simply expressed by the following points: obey the law, take care of our customers, take care of our community, respect the local and global environment. We commit ourselves to treating all stakeholders' unilaterality with utmost dignity and respect, regardless of their salience. Privacy, confidentiality, and professionalism are key pillars of the conduct of our hacienda.
We prioritize sustainability as it is an integral part of our business following three goals of the sustainable development. First, let's start with the goal number 3. We ensure good health and well-being for all at all ages. Now let's move to goal number 8. We promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work. Lastly, according to goal number 9, we build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation.
Advantage will provide the following goods. Extrinsic. As a small business, we can attract more customers, generate higher revenue, and contribute to the area's overall economy. Our intrinsic good is innovation in marketing. We will be providing cutting-edge advertising solutions in rural areas, which traditionally lack access to such tools. Our transcendent good is contributing to local economic growth, which helps improve the overall well-being and development of rural communities, enhancing their quality of life. Our common good is a thriving business environment that can foster a sense of pride and cohesion within rural communities, encouraging residents to stay, invest, and contribute to local culture and activities.